Hello guys, I am your host Subhra and welcome to Subhra the Geek. So today in this Amazon Prime Day sale, I have purchased this Boat Airdopes 661. So it has just come in the mail just now. So we'll be doing the unboxing and overview of the same. And I will tell you all about why I purchased this, and in few weeks after proper testing I will be posting the in-depth review of the same. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's start, shall we? So guys, as always, thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing, and thanks for liking my videos, and thanks for supporting me in this unboxing videos where I can buy certain products and unbox them over here in front of you guys. So this is Boat Airdopes 661, which I have purchased on the Prime Day, and it has just arrived in the mail. So let's see what are the things are on the box. So it gives a basic overview of what are the things we can expect. So it has USB Type-C, in-ear detection, instant voice assistant, seamless touch controls, and immersive sound. So we have a picture of Kiara Advani over here wearing the same. And on the back we have this Optimum Bluetooth 5.0. Then we have IPX5 water resistant. We'll check that out too. We have 520 mAh. Carry case, so it will charge this thing up to 4 times. It's insta wake and pay, so that's the thing. And we have the informations at the bottom over here. So what's written is the basic information about the product. So the price quoted over here is 6990, but I purchased it from Amazon for 2990 during the Amazon Prime sale. So I can give the pricing down below. Okay, so now let's unbox this. So we have a Boat sticker over here. I don't want to cut that. It's covering this flap over here, so if I cut it, it will cut the flap. So let's pull this out. Okay, so it opens the flap. Okay, and we have another one down over here. Oh, we can cut this. So we just cut this. Okay, we are done. Now let's pull this. Okay, where from it comes. Okay, so okay, it opens and we can see that here it is, the Boat carry case, and we have few more details. It is Qualcomm powered, so you will have very good experience while playing any games. Okay, so it's magnetic. That's very good. It's nice to see certain touches. So what are the things at the very beginning? I got this power cable. It is USB Type A to USB Type C. So let's keep these things to the side. We have few extra air tips for small and large. The medium is fitted over here. So let's keep these things to the side and let's unbox the product itself. So okay, we have this warranty card, then we have this sunburn, okay, Boat catalog over here. So it's supporting Chennai Super Kings, that's the thing which is written over here. And we have this user manual. So okay, so these are the things which we have inside the box. And it has a USB Type-C charging port as it says. So let's keep these things to the side and let's open the product. So let's take this out. So we have a tiny handle over here, so you can carry it. That's a good touch, I feel. And now if we open it, okay, so these are the AirPods, Airdopes. So this is for the left ear. So it has the connection and it is magnetic, and as soon as you place it starts charging. I don't think there is any charge in it. Okay, there is some charge. It's at the back. There's nothing over here. So we have the charging port at the back over here, and at down we don't have nothing. On this side we don't have nothing, and on top we have the Boat logo, and inside we get the 2 earpods. So let me connect them and get back to you. So guys, we are back. I checked out how this thing works, and I have tested them, and I will post the review after this. I told that I will be posting it after 2 weeks, but I have faced some problems, so I am returning it. That's why I am reviewing it right now. So at the back we have the USB Type-C charging port, and we have a notification light. So when we open it on, it turns green. So green is from 25 to 100%, that shows the battery, and if it is below 25%, then it will be red. So how to pair this with any phone or any device? What we do, we open it, we take out the earbuds, one over here, the other over here, keep these things to the side, and we open the Bluetooth settings of our phone. Okay, so switch on the Bluetooth, and it has picked up Airdopes, right? So we will just pair it with our phone. It is asking for okay, we will be giving a permission. It will be asking for the left to pair, okay. So it's paired, okay, so it's paired, okay. Now what we can do, we can listen to some songs if I am not wrong. So for songs, let's go to YouTube, then let's search our channel. Okay, so this is the video which I just posted today, so we can hear it completely, like each and everything of the video completely, no issues. With this, I'll show you on the mic how this thing works. So I guess it will give you a proper good overview of the how it sounds. Now what are the issues which I faced? So I will tell you a bit later. So it's sounding good, and let me wear this, and let me show you guys how this thing looks in ear. So guys, this is the way it looks on your ear, and it won't fall, and you can do certain workout with this. So this is a very good fit, but after a certain while, since the earlobes are larger, it will pain. So that happened with me, and I will tell you all the things which has happened with me with this pair of earphones. Let me move to the front back camera angle, and we'll talk about it. So guys, we have the earbuds over here. So let me take one of them in my hand, and let me try to focus on it. Yeah, so here you can see is the capacitive touch area. This area is capacitive touch area. So we have one single touch to receive end calls, double tap to change the track to the next, and single and triple tap to reset, factory reset. But let me show you the thing. It is still connected to the phone which we were seeing. So as per the policy, it should change the track on double tap. So it doesn't do that. It's a so annoying thing, what to tell you. And then what happened is, I don't know if this is a faulty product which I received or not, but then what happened is I paired it with my laptop, and I was watching a movie using the same yesterday. So what happened is the audio was so low, I couldn't hear pretty much anything out of it. That's the thing which happened with this earpods. So I have placed for return, and it will be returned on 10th, that is tomorrow. I am shooting it on 9th. So that's the thing which has happened with me. You can see that this portion of the right ear tip is bulged also, as you can see. I think it's a faulty earpiece which I have received, and I don't know why that this is bulged, and it has given me enough pain. And so let me give you a breakdown of what are the things which happened with me using this earpods. So number one, I wore it for 3 hours, and it pained a lot in my ear. And number two, the amount of bass it has is not up to the mark of Boat. I didn't find it up to the mark. The call quality was so, and the vocals was not that good at all. So if I have to rate it out of 10, I'll be giving it 3 out of 10. It's that bad. So guys, as of now, I cannot recommend this Boat Airdopes 661 to anyone, because I didn't have a good feel, and I didn't have a good experience out of this this product which I purchased from Amazon. And for now this was it, and the new earpods, as soon as they arrive I'll make the unboxing video, then I'll be posting the review video, so stay tuned. There are many more things which are happening on my channel. So guys, it was my personal decisions, but I didn't have a very good experience using Boat Airdopes 611, Boat Airdopes 611. So I am returning it and I will be buying a new earpod. So this was a gift from my sister for Rakhi, and I have told her, and I'll be returning it tomorrow, and after it is returned, I am guessing I'll buy a new pair of earphones. So I'll be posting the unboxing and review of those earphones. I want truly wireless earphones, so let's see which one I get. So no issues whatsoever. This costed me this costed me 3,000 rupees, but the satisfaction was not that good, and it doesn't feel like 3,000. It is completely plastic and it is a bit flimsical. So let me show you. Yeah, this is a bit flimsical. So that's the thing I didn't like about this. So let me keep these things to the side. And this was the thing, and I have tried it on my phone. This is my mom's phone. I have tried it on her phone, on my phone. I have tried it on all the phones which I have, and I don't get a proper response out of it. I just don't get. So I think that may be a faulty piece which I received, but the confidence in Boat which I had is completely lost now. So guys, this was the review of Boat Airdopes 611. And if you have any questions, please do comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please share it with your friends so that it can reach the maximum people and they can understand why I don't like this Boat 661 and why I'll be purchasing a new one. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for bearing with me for so long. I was your host, Subhra from Subhra the Geek, signing off.